Stay home, stay healthy. Kiitos Garden. Hello and welcome to Kiitos English. Let's learn some important words and phrases for your health. Today we will learn cough and mask. Cough, cough. Mask, mask. Now let's try a phrase. I cough, so I put on a mask. I cough, so I put on a mask. Now let's try another phrase. I cough, so I cover my mouth with a mask. I cough, so I cover my mouth with a mask. That's all for today. Thank you.